welcome back to the cottage. We're doing something a little different this week. We're actually not going to be here, so we are getting ready to hit the road. We're going to go to a beautiful waterfall, one of the many Tennessee is known for, and we're going to bring you along. So let's get packed up and let's hit the road.
We are going to Waterfalls.
Where is that?
I have no idea. No, it's in Grundy County. I remember because it always reminds me of the song, and I have to sing Grundy County Auction every time I think of it.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited. First waterfall of the season, and it's sunny!
So why did we pick this waterfall?
We chose Waterfalls because it had a spiral staircase, and it had a big pretty waterfall and a swimming hole. And it looked really pretty in pictures.
Have you ever been there before?
Nope. First time, so it should be fun.
What are you looking forward to most?
Swimming.
Somebody forgot the muffins.
I got the muffins for breakfast. Can't have a hike without breakfast in the car.
No, if we had horses, I would be offended. What about jumping? What? That's not. Is that basically a water heater? This is basically what half of Greece looks like. Probably. Oh my. Yeah. That's interesting.
Go girl! Don't fail yourself.
Yeah.
Don't
That's
regret
what
it
I'm
if I get any
scared of.
further up.
I don't know, they're pretty firm. Yeah, they are.
That's great.
This is like super cold though.
It is really cold.
Sorry. My legs start shaking. It's fine.
I know, when I got...
Loves TJ. That one says no DT. Darling should be. Perfect light
because I tried. Some have ham and cheese, or ham and turkey, some just have ham, some have turkey.
It is a lot lighter. It's not as oily.
I prefer it to olive oil ham. But I bet that means you can totally jump off. I said, but that means you can totally jump off. 4.5 pounds. You weigh 4.5 pounds. That's fair. That's fair now. Yeah, that's
Yes, it's as steep as it looks.